Are you tired of paying on YouTube TV but not using it enough? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel YouTube TV subscription in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, grab your computer or mobile device, open your preferred web browser, and head over to the YouTube TV website by typing in tv.youtube.com. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Once you're on the site, sign it with your Google account credentials. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. Step 3. Now that you're logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu. Step 4. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account details. Step 5. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Membership tab. Here you will see all details regarding your subscription. Step 6. Next to your current plan, click on Manage. You will see an option to cancel membership. Click that and follow the on screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Remember, you'll still have access until the end of your current billing cycle. Important notes: if you cancel during a free trial, access will end immediately. Any recorded programs will be available for 3 weeks after cancellation. If you're unsure about leaving, consider pausing your membership instead. And there you have it. You have successfully canceled your YouTube TV subscription without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.